Hey Daily Davers, it's Andrew here. Lot going on with the project at the moment. Been going through yesterday supporting Alick and some of the team with some outreach and also discussing a couple of big opportunities with John that he's working on in Canada, and hopefully circling with him later today to see how that's going. We've got some big meetings there this week. Separate to that, Leo's also sent through a deck that I plan to look through later today and give some feedback on, and we'll keep you updated. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi everybody. Today I'm working on UI changes for Grad Service Provider and the bit selection part. That's it for today. Bye.
Hey there, Davers. So yesterday I traveled from Munich to Berlin. We launched our KYC process and I went over some legal documents I had to go through. Today I'm at the Genevieve All Members meeting. I met a lot of really interesting folks from the automotive industry. Made a few connections that are really going to be helping us with our technology. And I'm heading now to the technology showcase to see some of the cool tech they are showing. Try to get some footage for you, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Hey guys, yesterday I started focusing on preparing our early contributors for the KYC process. Today we've officially gone live, so I will be continuing to stay focused on that and helping them to work through any potential issues that crop up. See you next week.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So this morning I did a follow-up with Joe on a new video idea that he had, and then we did a session with Alick to set up the treasure that we got for the holiday, and later I'm gonna do the DailyDAV, and that will be it. See you next time.
Hey Davers, Alick here. Today I'm just going over a few MOUs that were issued to potential prospects for the DAV Alliance. I'll give you some updates about that next week. I'm going over Lior's new outbound campaign draft for the Taxi Alliance, which we will start next week. And lastly, me and Noam will be having a conversation with Ben from AirMap to explore potential collaborations in the near future. Have a great day and see you soon. Bye.
Hey Daily Davers. So today's a very short day. I'm going to try to get advanced with Bigglebone integration. That's for the SkySense. So see you after the holidays, guys. Bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Lopardo here. So yesterday the KYC officially went live, so the waitlisting process had started. Very excited that launched, and it was definitely a very busy day yesterday, getting everything in line and whatnot. So that was really good. And then today the main focus has been making sure the KYC is continuing to go off without a hitch, working on the affiliate program a little bit, and then also working on some advisor stuff as well. But overall, great day, a lot of work, but all good stuff. Thanks everybody, have a good day.
Hey guys, so yesterday was mostly around the Blockchain Today new webpage and the ride-hailing deck, and both are supposed to be done during the weekend. I worked also on some new features coming in from the legal department and on our KYC process that was launched yesterday. So today I went over our Telegram group, making sure that the issues that users have raised are being taken care of. And well, I guess this is it, guys. Thanks.
Hey everyone, so I had a great meeting with the people over at Prime One Card today. They're located in downtown Vancouver, and had a really productive meeting with them. They could end up being fantastic strategic partners for the DAV Foundation. They have a product which could aid us in a big way with mainstream adoption for the DAV network. So I'll tell you more about them when something is a little more solid, but that's it for me today. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.
Hi everyone. Yesterday I finished design Blockchain Today page. Also I made all version banners ADS and first draft deck design for ride-hailing companies. Today I'll start a new page for our beautiful site, Privat Policy and Term of Use. Also I'll make new footer for our site. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.